Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow is monthly expiry and here I am with another video of our series Nifty Expiry Special Analysis. In the previous video, as I said, if we break 14,700, we'll see 14,500 levels coming. And the same thing happened and Nifty made a low of 14,478. You can watch that video clicking on the top right of your screen. And in today's video too, we'll find out the crucial levels for tomorrow's expiry. So stay tuned. And now on screen we have Nifty's daily chart, and this time there is nothing much on the daily chart. There was a support at 14,600 and we closed below 14,600, so that is first negative sign for tomorrow's expiry. The main action will begin on daily chart if we go below 14,400 and if we sustain below 14,400. So now let's analyze hourly chart, and as you can see there is a double top pattern and the breakdown happened today below 14,600. We had similar pattern in the last expiry and we saw a good fall coming after that. So this time too I am expecting a good fall and the target comes around 14,475. So this is the second negative sign for tomorrow's expiry, and that's a breakdown from double top pattern on hourly chart. So now if we analyze 30 minutes chart, we can see there is a head and shoulder pattern and that's a bearish setup, and the breakdown happened below 14,600 again, and if we find the targets it comes around 14,400 to 14,300. The right shoulder is not picture perfect but it should work. So another negative sign for tomorrow's expiry is breakdown from head and shoulder pattern. The option chain data for tomorrow's expiry is highly negative because as you can see 14,650 strike call has a total of 11,44,000 open interest. In that 10 lakh was added today. 14,600 call has 28 lakh open interest. In that 19 lakh was added today. When you check 14,550 strike, there is a total of 4,50,000 open interest. In that 3,70,000 was added today. So from this we can clearly understand that there was heavy call writing happening today. So I don't see expiry above 14,650 looking at the option chain. When we analyze option chain, we assume that the sellers are always right, and based on that concept, if you check 14,500 strike put option, you will see that there was reduction in open interest of 2,86,000, and not only that, 14,400 strike put option also had reduction in open interest of 2,68,000. So the put writers know something that we don't, and that's the reason they are squaring their positions. And last time when I saw similar kind of data, Nifty went down by 3 to 400 points. So this time too the data is negative, and I won't be shocked if we see a huge fall coming tomorrow too. So last time when we saw this kind of data was on 15th October 2020 when Nifty opened at 12,025 and closed at 11,660. And the only hope for bulls for tomorrow's expiry is oversold put call ratio, that's around 0.97. So the only thing that can save bulls is a short covering rally, but I don't see much upside tomorrow, and tomorrow's expiry according to me will be in the favor of bears. And also friends, I have posted a link in description to open your demat or trading account in my franchise. The brokerage is as low as 15 rupees per order, no hidden charges. Many other benefits are written in description, and also I will add you in my WhatsApp group where I give calls to account holders. So wishing you a profitable expiry tomorrow. This is Aman signing off. Thank you.